Welcome to English Marathon. In today's video, we are going to discuss Test U of Oxford English Grammar, and the title is Prepositions. Let's begin. Hello and welcome, all my viewers. So, in today's video, we are going to discuss about the Test U, that is titled Preposition or Preposition, that we can say, of that is titled Preposition in our Oxford Practice Grammar. So we will cover all the tests one by one. So I'm starting with test U. So let's begin. The first A part is write the sentences correctly. So we have to correct the use of preposition. So the first is I'll see you at Monday. See, at is a preposition of place. It's usually used with a place. Okay, so Monday is not a place, na? We all know that Monday is a day. So Monday is not a place. So at can't be used with Monday. So it will be on. So we will use I'll see you on Monday. So the incorrect was at. I'll see you on Monday. The second sentence is the doctor has been working since 12 hours. We all know the use of since and for. Since is used for a particular point of time when there is a definite time, definite date, definite year is given. We use for the span of time. How much time is there? Like 12 hours. 12 hours is a time, it's a span of time. We can't use since with a span of time. So we'll use for 12 hours. So next we had a great time in the disco. In the disco. In can't be used here because disco is a place. So see, we can use in with the place. See, we can use in with the place, but in means inside. In the disco. We had a great time in the disco. It seems inappropriate. We will use we had a great time at the disco. The woman was getting from the car. Getting from the car, ये तो अपने आप में कोई सेंस नहीं बन रही है. So we will use the woman was getting out of the car. Out of the car. From जैसे हम यूज़ करते हैं जहाँ से. From 1928 to 1930. That is the use of from. Car was getting from. Getting out from, it can be used as getting out from or getting out of the car. So we can't use from here. The next, the players had numbers at their shirts. Shirts के साथ हम on use करेंगे. The players had numbers on their shirts. The next is the new manager takes over at 2 weeks' time. The new manager takes over in 2 weeks' time. 2 हफ्ते के टाइम में जो न्यू मैनेजर है वो टेक ओवर कर जाएगा. So हम यूज करेंगे in 2 weeks' time. Next is Anna drove at the garage to get some petrol. Anna at the garage. So at जो है ना वो स्टेशनरी के लिए हम ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं. So हम at the garage नहीं कहेंगे, हम कहेंगे Anna drove to the garage to get some petrol. The next is we are sitting in the back of room. So ये तो हम जब पढ़ते हैं तभी पता चल जाता है कि इसकी सेंस नहीं बन रही है. We are sitting in the back नहीं हो सकता. We are sitting at the back of the room. I have missed room here. Please write. We are sitting at the back of the room. Write the missing word. Use one word in each space. Sometimes more than one answer is correct. So let's begin. This is our flight. This is our first real holiday. Dash ages for ages. I'm enjoying it tremendously. I love being dash an island. I love being on an island. मुझे island पे होना, island पे आना, island पे रहना अच्छा लगता है. We arrived here almost a week dash. हमने arrived यूज़ किया. उसका मतलब है कि हम पास्ट में बात कर रहे हैं. अगर हम पास्ट में बात कर रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब है हम पहले की बात कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे हम बिफोर यूज़ कर सकते हैं, या उससे भी अच्छा वर्ड है हमारे पास एगो. So we use ago. And I can't believe the time is going so fast. I can't believe the time is going so fast. We finally completed the journey here dash Friday. So days के साथ हम on use करते हैं. So we'll use on Friday evening. जो हमारे पास अब टाइम दिया हुआ है about 11 o'clock. So we can use at 11 o'clock. The journey wasn't too bad, but we had to wait ages dash the airport for our flight. Airport पे हमें बहुत देर वेट करनी पड़ी. उसका मतलब है कि हम add यूज़ करेंगे. यहाँ पे था ago. Sorry, I have erased it. On. So next paragraph में हमारे पास है our apartment here is fine. तो अब वो apartment define कर रहे हैं. Apartment here is fine. It's dash the top floor. अब जब हम जनरली इंग्लिश यूज़ करते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं on 5th floor, on 6th floor, on top floor. So here will be on the top floor. The beach isn't very far away. We can walk there in 5 minutes. We can walk there in 5 minutes. 5 मिनट में हम वहाँ जा सकते हैं. The only problem is that we have to get dash a busy main road which can be difficult. हमें busy road को cross करना पड़ता है. across get through होना, go through होना पड़ता है. busy road. So वो एक problem है. So we have to get across. We will use across for that. Across a busy main road. We don't do much dash the day, but we go out every evening. दिन में हमने ज़्यादा enjoy नहीं किया, but evening में हम बाहर जाते थे. तो इसका मतलब है we don't do much during the day. दिन के दौरान. Last night's disco went on very late. So today we slept dash 11. रात का डिस्को बहुत देर तक चला, इसीलिए हम आज 11 बजे तक सोए. So here तक 11 बजे तक. So लिमिट है until और till यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Until 11 और till 11 हम. So these sentences are correct and some have a word which should not be there. So we have to put a tick in front of each correct sentence, and we have to bring out the unnecessary word that is there. So let's begin. The cat was sitting on the top of the shed. So I think this is the correct because it has marked already. Coventry is nearby Birmingham. It's nearby. Nearby का तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं होता. So by is extra. It's near Birmingham. Luckily, our train arrived on the time. जब हम जनरल इंग्लिश यूज़ करते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं it was on time. So I think the is the unnecessary word. So we will write here the. People were running away from the gunman. People were running away from the gunman. So this sentence is correct. We have no unnecessary word in this sentence. So let's move further. It sounds as if the company is in trouble. This sentence is also correct. We don't have extra preposition here. The car was in the front of a bus. अगर हम बात करें जनरल इंग्लिश की, अगर हम prepositions की बात करें तो हम यूज़ करते हैं in front of. It was in front of. So we can't use in the front of. So we'll write the here. The is extra. In the front of. The is extra. Here the was extra. These two were correct. There is a meeting on next Tuesday. So on के बिना भी काम चल जाएगा. There is a meeting next Tuesday. On is extra. Lisa drew a plan on the back of an envelope. So this is correct. No extra word is here. It will be exhausted by the time I get home. Sorry, I'll be exhausted by the time I get home. जब तक मैं घर पहुंचूंगा तो मैं पूरी तरह थक चुका हूँगा. So I don't think there is an extra word. So this is our part C. In part D, we have to decide which word is correct. We have options. So let's begin. You can see all the information dash the screen. The screen तो हम use नहीं करते. Inside the screen भी use नहीं करेंगे. So on the screen is more appropriate than at. So we'll use on the screen. Are these pictures dash sale? हम कई बार हमने बैनर्स देखे हैं, उस पर लिखा होता है फॉर सेल फॉर सेल फॉर सेल. सो ये तो हमें पता ही है कि यहाँ पे फॉर सेल आएगा. Could you let me know dash Friday at the latest? Could you let me know dash Friday at the latest? क्या आप मुझे फ्राइडे तक बता दोगे? By. So here we will use by. The audience clapped dash the end of the show. For the end, in the end, to the end. ये तो इनका तो चांस ही नहीं बनता. So we will use at the end. I have lived here dash last year. After last year. After last year. After last year तो चांस ही नहीं है. By last year. For last year, since last year. Last year हमें अच्छी तरह से स्पेसिफाई करके बताया गया पिछले साल. अगर हमें स्पेसिफाई किया है तो हम for या since में से since यूज़ करते हैं. What's the matter dash your car? ये तो पेट है, पेट डायलॉग होता है कि what's the matter with this, what's the matter with this. So here we'll use with your car. So I'll mark the options for you on for, by, at, since, with. We could see the balloon high dash the town. High on the town, high on to the town, high up the town. हमने शुरू से एक पोएम याद की है. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky, twinkle twinkle little star. So high up above हो गया तो high above भी हो सकता है ना. So यहाँ पे हमने high above the town के ऊपर जो आसमान में वो बैलून है जो उड़ रहा था. There was a fall dash 10% in the prices. There was a fall of 10% in the prices. So off. The house was burgled dash were out. Dash we were out. घर में चोरी कब हुई? जब हम बाहर थे. तो ड्यूरिंग और वाइल दो चांस बनते हैं. ड्यूरिंग वी वर आउट ये तो सूट ही नहीं कर रहा है. ड्यूरिंग दौरान की जगह हम यूज़ करते हैं. सो वाइल जब हम बाहर थे तब घर में चोरी हुई. व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस डैश अ बोट एंड अ शिप? तो दो अगर ऑप्शंस होती हैं तो हम बिटवीन यूज़ करते हैं। यहाँ पे मैं हम अपनी ऑडियंस को ये भी बताना चाहूँगी कि अगर दो से ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस होती हैं तो हम अमंग यूज़ करते हैं। ये सब हमने बहुत टाइम से, जब हम छोटे थे तब से सीखा हुआ है। रूपर्ट्स न्यू कार लुक्स मोर डैश एन एरोप्लेन। जो कार है वो, जो नई कार है वो एक एरोप्लेन की तरह ही लगती है। सो हम लिखेंगे लाइक एन एरोप्लेन। वी आर ऑल बोर्ड डैश दिस गेम। हम इस गेम के मतलब इससे बोर हो चुके हैं। विद दिस गेम वी आर बोर्ड। अबाउट दिस गेम तो हो नहीं सकता, एट दिस गेम नहीं हो सकता, फॉर दिस गेम नहीं हो सकता, तो विद इज द मोर करेक्ट ऑप्शन। I can't find my keys. I had them a minute before or ago. 1 मिनट पहले मेरे पास चाबियां थी, अब मुझे नहीं मिल रही हैं। तो हम ago प्रेफर करते हैं in these cases. We get lots of requests dash help. Of help तो for help यूज करेंगे। The babysitter will stay there dash we get home. Babysitter कब तक रहेगा घर पे, कब तक वहाँ रहेगा, जब तक हम नहीं जाते, until we get home. So next is I'm going to be late dash the meeting for the meeting. I'm going to be late for the meeting. Summer. We do most of our business in summer. The job is similar dash my old one. तो हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं तो हम टू मोस्टली यूज़ करते हैं। द जॉब इज़ सिमिलर टू माई ओल्ड वन। जो मेरी पुरानी जॉब थी उससे सिमिलर ही है ये जॉब। So let's begin with the part E. This is the Glasgow train. We have to write a second sentence by using the word in bracket. The bracket word is going. The train is going to Glasgow. Scott is a resident of Washington. Bracket word is lives. Scott lives in Washington. I'm traveling to Italy as part of my job. So we'll use I'm traveling to Italy on business. On business. Friday morning is a busy time for me. I'm busy on Friday morning. So we'll use I'm busy on Friday morning. They started playing an hour ago. ब्रैकेट में वर्ड है बीन। सो जब हम परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस सेंटेंस की यूसेज देखते हैं तो वहाँ पे हम यूज़ करते हैं वो कब से खेल रहा है तो आई हैव बीन प्लेइंग फॉर एन आवर। They have been playing for an hour. They have been playing for an hour. Jonathan can play tennis very well. Bracket में word है good. Jonathan is very good at tennis. Jonathan is very good at tennis. Jonathan tennis में बहुत अच्छा है. Jonathan is very good at tennis. I'm rather busy now. I am rather busy now. Moment. I'm busy at the moment. I'm rather busy at the moment. I'm rather busy at the moment. We took a plane to Budapest. वहाँ तक जर्नी के लिए हमने एरोप्लेन से जर्नी की। सो ब्रैकेट में जो वर्ड दिया है वो है एयर। सो हम एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं। सो वी वेंट टू ये जगह का नाम है बुडापेस्ट, बुडापेस्ट बाय एयर। एयर जो वर्ड हमें दिया गया था वो हमने यूज़ किया बाय एयर। बाय एयर जैसे हम यूज़ करते हैं बाय रोड, बाय वाटर, तो वो हो गया बाय एयर। नाइजल पासेस द न्यूज़ एजेंट्स एवरी डे। वो न्यूज़ एजेंट्स से पास हो गया था, मतलब कि जो न्यूज़ एजेंट की जगह है, जो ऑफिस है, वहाँ से वो पास करके कार के थ्रू पास करता है, चल के, वट एवर मीन्स ही यूज़, वो वहाँ से पास हो के आता है। सो हम यूज़ करेंगे, यहाँ पे वर्ड है गोज़। Nigel or Nigel, whatever you pronounce it, Nigel goes past the news agent every day. Nigel goes past the news agents every day. The company is planning to reduce the workforce. Word है reduction. The company is planning a reduction in the workforce. We got to our guest house early enough for meal. Early enough के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं in time. So यहाँ पे वर्ड भी दिया गया है time. We got to our guest house in time for a meal. Early enough की जगह हम यूज़ करते हैं in time. So that was the test U of